How to redeem rewards on Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. To redeem your rewards, select the items you want to purchase and proceed to the checkout page. During checkout, you will see an option to apply your earned point, vouchers or discounts to your order. Choose the reward you want to use and confirm it. The total amount will automatically be adjusted based on the reward applied. Make sure to check the expiration dates of your points or vouchers so you don't miss out on using them. Some promotions or seasonal campaigns may have specific conditions, so always read the details before redeeming. Once the rewards are applied, complete your order as usual. Redeeming rewards on Uzum Market is simple, secure, and allows you to save money while shopping. Now you know how to redeem rewards on Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.